Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss about how to remove duplicate elements from an array. So I have to enter the array size. I've given 7. So into the array elements. So these elements are into 7876 or 7765. So I here or 7 is or 3 times, and here 6 is 2 times, and or 78 and 5 one more times. So at here this is original arrays. So at here 7 or 2 times here and one more times, so total 3 times. 6 is or 2 times, and 5 one time, 78 one time. So at here the output comes 78765. So after removing duplicate elements, so this is the output gate. So 78765. So here I enter the array size, so I've given 7. So I enter total elements 7. So if you want to enter 10 elements into the array, so you have to give the size at your 10. After that, you can enter 10 elements, and if any duplicate elements found in the array, so we have to remove. So let's do the coding to remove the duplicate elements from the array. Next, I'm going to discuss what the try and method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter that go inside. So at here I've taken four integer variable. First is n, hereafter I, next j, and hereafter x. And hereafter I've taken integer array type variable a double r, And here I've given the size 55, so maximum you can enter 55 elements into the array. And hereafter control comes to this one, console class dot writeline method. So whatever in tool code that display into the output screen, into the array size, so that or display into the output screen. Here n equal to int dot parse console dot readline, so that accept any string value. And here I'm using int dot parse so that convert a string value into integer. So integer value that go to n. So right here I'm going to enter n value 6. And hereafter control comes to this point. So at a console class dot writeline method. So this or display to the output screen. Hereafter control comes to this point. So for I start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n value 6. Condition is to that coincide. So at a double r I equal to int dot parse console dot readline. So that accept a string value and that by using int dot parse, so that convert into integer. And here that store a double r 0 position. So I value is 0. So that store it or 0% new elements. So this is 8 over R. So this is a 0 index. So at here I'm going to enter 9. Next to that curve, increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 5. Condition is to select. Sorry. Here I is increase. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than or 6. Condition is to select into 8 over R 1% new element. So at here I'm going to enter 11. Next I increase. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 6, condition is 2. So let's enter it over 2% new element. So right here I enter 9. Hereafter I increase, so I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than or 6, condition is true. So that go inside. So let's enter it over 3% new element. So right here I'm going to enter 9. So this is one index, 2, here 3, next 4, and here 5. So I is 3 now. Hereafter I increase, so I is 4. Check the condition 4 less than 6, condition is true. So that go inside. So let's enter it over 4% new element. So here I'm going to enter 11. Hereafter I increase, so I is 5 now. Check the condition 5 less than 6, condition is true. So let's enter it over 5% new element. So I'm going to enter 13. Now hereafter I increase, so I is 6 now. So that check 6 less than 6, condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this one. Console class dot writeline method. So this or display to the output screen original arrays. Hereafter control comes to this point. So I value start from 0. Check the condition 0 less than n value or 6, condition is true. So that coincides. So console dot writeline. So that to display writeline. So that display output screen 8 over or 0% element. So 9 display. Hereafter I increase, I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than n value 6, condition is true. So that display it of 1% element. 11 display. Hereafter I increase, I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 6, condition is true. So that display it of 2% element. 9 display. Hereafter I increase, I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 6, condition is true. So that coincides, that display it of 3% element. So again that display 9. Hereafter I increase, I is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 6, condition is true. So that coincides, so that display it over 4% element. 11 display. Hereafter I increase, I is 5 now. Check the condition 5 less than 6, condition is true. So that display it over 5% element. So 13 display. Hereafter I is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than 6, condition is not true. So that not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. So after console class dot write method. So this or display to the output screen after removing duplicate array. So I value start from 0 and check the condition 0 less than n value I enter 6. So condition is to that coincide. So j equal to I plus 1. So 0 plus 1 j start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than 6, condition is to that coincide. So it over r I value is 0, j value is 1. So it over 0% double equal to it over r 1. So 0% is 9, 1% 11. 9 double equal to 11. So this condition is not true. So that go to else part here. That increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. And hereafter that loop continue. So here, so there is no any increment. So that check the condition j less than n, so j value is 2, n value is 6, 2 less than 6, condition is 2. So at here a or I value is 0, a or 0% double equal to a or 2, so 0% is 9, 2% is 9, 9 double equal to 9, condition is 2, so that coincide. So at here j value go to x, so j value is 2, 2 go to x. Hereafter check the condition, 2 less than n value 6, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here a or x double equal to a or x plus 1, so x plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 8 over 3% value go to 8 over 2. So 3% is 9. So 9 move to here. Now hereafter that group increase the value of x. So x is 3 now. Check the condition, 3 less than n value 6. Condition is to that coincides at 8 over 3 plus 1. So 4% move to 8 over 3. So 4% is 11. 11 move to here. So at here 11 come. Now hereafter x increase, so x is 4 now. Check the condition, 4 less than n value 6. Condition is 2. So that coincides at 8 over 4 plus 1. So 5% value go to 8 over 4. So at here this point 13 come. Now hereafter x is 5, that go up, increase the value of 5. So at here 5 less than 6, condition is 2, that coincide. So that here 8 over 5 plus 1. So 6% value go to 8 over 5. So this position is null character. So since I have given the size of array 55, so till 54 that is to null character. So null character, that point, that comes to there. And hereafter x is 6. Check the condition, 6 less than n value 6. 6 less than 6, condition is not true. So control comes to this point. So that is the value of n. So n is 5 now. So at a new array elements are. So this is 0 index here, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4. So this point 9 come here, 11. So this 9 move to this point, 2 location here, 11 move to 3, and here 13 move to 4, and 5th, 6th, 7th position, that is to null character. So n decrease to n is 5 now. Hereafter loop continue. So there is no any increment, decrement. So at here check the condition, j less than n. So j value is 2, n value is 5. 2 less than 5, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here if 8 over r, I value is 0, 8 over 0% double equal to 8 over r 2. So 0% is 9 and 2% 9. So 9 equal to 9, condition is true. So that coincides. So at here j value go to x. So x is start from 2 again. Here 2 less than n value 5. Condition is true. That coincides. 8 over 3 plus 2 plus 1 3. So 3 move to 8 over 2. So 3 move to 8 over 2. So at this point, at here new array elements 11 come, and hereafter x increase, x is 3 now. Check the condition, 3 less than n value 6. Sorry, n value is 5, 3 less than 5, condition is 2. So at here 8 over 3 plus 1. So 8 over 4% value go to 8 over 3. So 4% is 13. So 13 move to 8 over 3. So at here 13 come, and hereafter that increase the value of x. So x is 4 now. Check the condition, 4 less than 5, condition is 2. So at here 8 over 4 plus 1, 5% value go to x. So at here this point null character is true. So here new array elements are. So this is 9, here 11, here 11 come, this 11 come 11, and here after 13, and here next that is to null character. So till 54 that is to null. So this is 0 index 1 2 3. And one more thing, Yeah, it's okay. So hereafter x is 4. Check the condition 4 less than 5. Condition is true. So 4 plus 1 5 5 plus, so 5 position value go to no, 4. So that's okay. Now hereafter that comes to this point. So that decrease the value of n. So n is 4 now. Hereafter that continue the loop. So right here or j less than equal to n. So j value is 2, value 4. 2 less than 4, condition is 2. So right here, if 8 over r, I value is 0. 8 over 0% double equal to j value 2. So 0% double equal to 2. So 0% is 9, 2% 11. So that's not true. So that not coincide here, that go up to else part here, that increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. So hereafter that go check the condition 3 less than 4, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here 8 over 0% double equal to 8 over 3. So 9 double equal to 13, that's not true. So hereafter that go to else part here, that increase the value of j. So j is 4 now. So at here check the condition 4 less than n value also 4. 4 less than 4, condition is not true. So that out from inner for loop. And hereafter that continue the upper for loop. So hereafter that go increase the value of I. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than n value, for condition is 2. So right here j equal to 1 plus 1, j start from 2. Here 2 less than n value, for condition is 2. So right here check the condition a double r I. So I value is 1 and j value is 2. So 1 double equal to 2. So 1% is 11, 2% 11. So this condition is 2, so that coincides. So right here j value go to x. So j value is not 2, 2 go to x. And here check the condition 2 less than n value, for condition is 2. So right here 8 over 2 plus 1. So 8 over 3% value go to 8 over 2. So 3% is 13. 13 move to this point. Now hereafter x increase. So x is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than 4. Condition is 2. So at here 8 over 3 plus 1. 4% value go to 8 over 3. So at here this point that come null character. Now hereafter x increase. X is 4 now. Check the condition 4 less than 4. That's not true. So that not coincide here. That increase the value of decrease the value of n. So n is 3 now. And if condition is true, so that not go to else part here, inner for loop continue. So there is no any increment decrement. So j less than n. So j value is 2, n value 3. 2 less than 3, condition is 2. So right here, if 8 over r, I value is 1. 1 double equal to 8 over r, j value is 2. So here, new array elements are, so at here 9 come, next 11, at this point 13 come. So this is 0 index, 1, 2. And this point that is to null character. So at here j value is 2, I value is 1. So 8 over 1% double equal to 8 over or 2. So 1% is 11, 2% 13. So 11 double equal to 13, that's not true. So this condition is not true. So that go to else part here, that increase the value of j. So j is 3 now. Hereafter loop continue. So here check the condition 3 less than 3. So that's not true. So that out from inner for loop. Now next that increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than n value 3. Condition is 2, that coincides. So at here j equal to I plus 1. So 2 plus 1, j start from 3. Check the condition 3 less than n value. N value also 3. 3 less than 3. That's not true. So that not coincide. Hereafter that out from inner for loop here, that continue the upper for loop. So upper for loop now. Here I value is 3. Check the condition 3 less than 3. Condition is not true. So that not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. So right here I value start from 0. And here check the condition 0 less than n value or 3. Condition is true. So that coincides. So console cost dot write time method. So that display 8 or 0% element. So at here 9 display. Hereafter I increase. So I is 1 now. Check the condition 1 less than 3. Condition is 2. That coincides. So that display 8 or 1% element. 11 display. Hereafter I increase. So I is 2 now. So either understand 2 less than 3 condition is true, so that coincides, so that display 8 over 2 by some element. So 13 display. Hereafter I increase, so I is 3 now. So either understand 3 less than n value also 3. 3 less than 3 condition is not true, so that not coincide. Here control comes with this point. So enter console class dot return method. So this take one input from given and terminate the output. And next that out from make method. So this is the trial method of this program. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So this time I enter n value 6. So you can enter n value any number like 7, 8, 9. So if you enter n value 8, so you have to enter 8 elements into the array. So just try to enter unique and duplicate elements into the array. So and do so same try and method. So definitely you will get the expected output. So this is the try and method of this program. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.